From Durham, North Carolina, you're watching Cocktails Under Quarantine. My name is Suzanne. This week we thought we'd bring our readers another book review. So the book that we'll be talking about this week is Last Call by Brad Thomas Parsons. In this book, Mr. Parsons travels all over the United States and goes to some of the most famous bars in the US. He goes to the East Coast, the West Coast, the South, the Midwest. He checks them all out. He even checks out two of the best bars here in the Triangle, Crunkleton in Chapel Hill and the Fox Liquor Bar in Raleigh, which I haven't been to yet, but as soon as this quarantine is over, you better believe I'm going to be going and checking it out. So in this book, the author interviews the head bartenders at each of these famous bars and finds out what really lights their passion for cocktails and bar keeping, and also what their final call drink would be. If it was the end of your life, what would be the last thing that you would drink? And so the book is it's a series of anecdotes where he visits each bar, and also with most of the bars, there's a recipe that the bartender of that particular bar includes. There's some great recipes in there, everything from classics like Manhattans and Sazeracs to some tiki. There's a recipe in there for the jet pilot, which is great, to some fun modern drinks like the Cosmopolitan, and even some original drinks that the bartenders invented. I made one of the drinks in this book called The Last Man Standing. It was a very, very strong drink of equal parts gin, Campari, rye, and Fernet. And I gotta say, they may be the last man standing, but I was barely standing after I drank it. So it's a great book. Check it out, The Last Word. And as always, I hope that you enjoyed this episode, and stay safe and drink responsibly.